Hi, now it's time to upload the data to the Peltarion platform and then make sense of the data view. The Peltarion platform you will find at peltarion.com. If you haven't signed up before, do that. If you have already signed up, just log in. Getting to the start page where all the previous projects I've done, all the previous experiments I've been running, and let's create a new project for this. Consumer complaint demo. New project. We're entering the Peltarion Platform dataset view, and then we'll move on to the modeling view, then the evaluation view, and finally the deployment view. In the dataset view, there are a couple of different ways we can actually upload the data. We have the connection to Google BigQuery or Microsoft Synapse. We could use the library of free datasets. I encourage you to explore it, but for now we'd like to choose files from our local computer. That will be that one. Yes. It's quite fast to get it up onto the platform. Let's name this instead of just complaint today. New York State complaints. No empty narratives. Alright, we're done. We're now entering the feature view. We can review all the features, the columns. Sometimes it's easier to check the table view instead, which makes it easier to sort of inspect the data. It's quite a lot of data, and we're not interested in most of these columns. What we want to see is the product and the consumer complaint narrative. There are 9 different products. That's why we have the shape of 9 here. But the shape of 20 here actually means that we have a sequence length of 20, which means we'll use the 21st words in each text. That can of course be increased, but the longer sequence length, the longer it takes to train. Typically you'd like to split the dataset between training and validation, and this is done automatically when we upload the data, so we get a 80-20 split. Other than that, I'd say we are quite happy with everything that is default. So we save this version. Alright, you finished preparing your dataset. Next step will be creating a model.